Hi, my name is Marina Mandel, and this is for the presentation Challenges in the Workplace. Today I'm going to be talking about bullying in the workplace. Bullying in the workplace can include anything from condescending behavior and gossiping to exclusion or violence. Both coworkers and bosses can be bullies, and if you're being bullied at work, you're not alone. This actually happens way more often than not. There's various targets of bullying. Obviously, it can go to anyone, but usually it's with comparing genders. Female workers were more likely to experience bullying, 34% over their male counterparts at 22%. Minorities are continuing to face bullying in the workplace. 44% of physically disabled workers have felt bullied in the office, and 30% of lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender workers have shared the same. Obviously, because they're minorities, they are treated differently. Office bullies can cause anxiety and stress, and they target those that they see as a threat, but you should not let them isolate you or make you feel bad about yourself. And discuss the problem with a mentor. And some specific strategies you can implement is to keep records of all incidents. Consider talking to the bully and approaching them. Maybe they are unaware of how they're making you feel, and always focus on the resolution. Always show that things can be better if they are handled differently. Yeah, thank you so much.